Hello, I am here to work on day 80. Wow, wow. Not that much longer and the project will be over. I will be stopping at the end of the project because I want to put this book together. So I'll be doing that. I'll probably write a little blurb about the project on one of the pages and put it in the book just because I think that would be appropriate and fun to do. So a little bit about how it worked for me and what I did. But in the meantime, I am just going to work on this collage today and see where it takes me. And I hope you all have fun watching. Well, that is day 80. That means there's only 20 days left. That's just less than 3 weeks. I'm very pleased with everything. Like I said, there's always some of the collages I don't like and some I do. I'm happy with that. So, anyways, I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity book, and I'm going to go on with my day. The biggest mistake any creative person can ever make is to express what they think they should feel, rather than what they really do feel. Very interesting. Okay, guys, I am gonna finish up a couple of other projects for the day and hopefully get this edited and up for you. And I will talk to you all soon. Bye-bye. Have a great day.